Hello everyone, I'm Big Solo and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is where we gonna talk more about how to make money online. I hope a lot of you guys here are so much interested on how to make money online because the online space carries a whole lot of money. If you have already dreamed how much you're going to make this year 2025, that is great news to get your goals, to set up a target. But my question is, are you ready to pay that price? Are you ready to take that risk that every successful person have been taking? This video we're going to talk about one of the best platform that if you are interested and ready to take the risk, you can sit at your comfort of home and still make money and make more. And the platform is called GenesisCorp.ai. They are the leading provider of network data. Okay, so they are solely into data processing, whereby they use their advanced device called GPUs. In 2022, they launched an expansion plan to allow individuals to become investors. Once you invest, the company is going to have a contract with you whereby they are going to pay you between 1 to 1.4% of your investment. Now, when this contract reach a limit of 300%, your contract has ended and you have nothing to do. If you liked to read more about this company, click the link in the video description and go and read more. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to become our family and learn more about more online money making platform. Click the link, read more, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and see you all making money with GenesisCorp.ai. I myself, I have put some money there. It is working for me. This does not mean that you too, when you put money there, is going to work for you. But at this level, in the space of 3 months I have been with them, it has been an awesome. You've been able to cash out something. You've been able to qualify for some of the awards. So if you are interested, go ahead, click the second link in the video description, create your account, browse through the packages, and select any of the package you want. Go ahead, pay, and instantly you begin to receive your ROI. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I'm going to reveal to you more secrets and more opportunities of making money online. See you on our next video, and I want you watching me to be a member of this channel. To do that, subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's build a successful channel. Bye.